Today I will show you combo units and assemblies and packages. So let's start from the combo units. The combo units, it's a specific settings in RigER combo units we use when we have one price and several components. And usually the combo units used for the one particular job. See, for example, here we have the light plant LED, we have a type combo unit, and this light plant combined for light towers and one generator. It's pretty simple. However, I'd like to explain the combo unit life cycle. So when we start, we need to add new combo unit card, add all the components and put the price to the price list. And the combo unit card will appear in the system. And the combo unit is a virtual unit. So the components will still be in a system. However, when we will generate rental service agreement and move all the items to the field, it will be a unit, the virtual unit in a field. However, we will see and track all the components. And when we'll return this combo unit back to our shop or yard, it will automatically disassemble it, and all those components will be available. So let me show you how the combo unit looks like and what we can do with the combo unit. Say, for example, I can create, and yes, let's use this. So light tower. Light tower. So here we have this particular example when we start a light tower LED as a combo unit, and here we have a specific tab components which appear when we select the combo units. Okay, when we select the type combo unit, we will automatically will see components here, and we can enter new units parts and all the items here. And what we do next, let's generate a new rental service agreement and see how the combo units will work. So when I start new rental service agreement and add here the light plant, okay, you can see that it's automatically recognized that this is a combo unit, and we have two components here and quantity set up accordingly. However, we not charge for light tower separately and for the generator separately. We charge only for this unit together, and say, for example, it will be 150. Okay, and I will put a client and location and rig, for example. Let's do it like May 1st. So what do we do next? We approve rental service agreement as usual and generate delivery tickets. And here in a delivery ticket, as you see, it will be only one rental unit, light tower plant. However, in the components section, we can select particular unit numbers, which we will use for this. Yeah, for some reason we have only not four, but 3 available. Just to save time, I will not consider why we have one and this one as a generator. So, and when we post it, okay. So here in towers, we'll see that our 5-star service, and this is our 3 towers here as a separate rental units. However, when we will generate, say for example, I will generate new delivery ticket and we'll return this. Okay, some Something happen all the time. When I will generate delivery ticket to return those items, and say, for example, I'd like to return those items yesterday, everything is good, and I see that all my components returned together, and I can generate total invoice. So in a total invoice, we will do not see any components. We will see only our rental plant, light plant, and rental fees. Okay, so invoice. And here we have 2 days charge for light plant units. As you see in this particular example, there is the hard correlation between what we have as a combo unit and what we actually send to the field. So in this particular case, we had set up 4 light towers, but we sent only 3 there. Sometimes that happens. Let's move forward and go to and consider another topic, which will be assemblies. And so the assemblies is a little bit different approach when we have same one price, several components. However, we'd like to use this for the several jobs or several months or several years. So usually, say, for example, here is another example where we build this assembly as an assembly list. And we have a rental unit, trailer with 3 regular toilets, and we put 3 toilets together and bolt them to the trailer and track them as a new unit number, this new unit number, okay? So, and the assembly cycle is a little bit different as compared as combo units. So we need to build it first. So create new assembly list, put all the items together, set up the price, and then we have a new rental unit. And it will be tracked as normal rental units. However, sometimes we'd like to know the history of the components. So history of the components will be available as well. And in this case, we generate rental service agreement, generate delivery ticket, generate end job, and we return the rental unit. To disassemble it or add or replace component, we need to run a new assembly list. Okay. So let me show you the very simple assembly list. And when we open assembly list, we can see here the unit number, which we build. We will enter, the rental unit which we built, unit number, and we can add as many items as we need to this list. So after posting this assembly list, of those items will be bolted. And if we like to disassembling, we select the different type of disassembling, or if we'd like to replace, we can have a situation when we disassemble and assembling in the same moment. Okay, this is how it works, and I'd like to move forward and show you the difference between combo units and assemblies. So the combo units and assemblies is one price, one piece of equipment with several components. However, combo units usually designed for the one job, assembly for the multiple jobs. So the components track separately and components track together in case of assembling. Different components each job for the combo unit, and the same components each job for the assembly. And combo units, of course, it's easy to build because it's just to build all the components together on a flight when you generate delivery ticket. And assembly easy to move because we just move one rental unit and all the components moving faster. So there is no the right wrong approach to this, because sometimes it's better to use combo units, sometimes it's better to use assembly, and we have clients which use both of them simultaneously, and depending on what kind of particular situation they have. And another thing where you combine rental units, combo units, parts, and services together. And this feature will be available very, very soon. We call it packages. So you can build packages, you can add packages, and add components and parts and services to the rental agreement very easily. And it's another way how you can combine together. However, every single item in the package will have their own price. So the combination of units, it could look in a very, very interesting way, where you can combine rental units, combo units with components, assemblies, parts, and services together, and this will be a one package. This speed up the entering items to the documents and gives some robust and good looking in the documents.